Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable X/Twitter two-factor authentication for stronger protection step by step clearly. Open the Twitter app on your device or visit the Twitter website on your computer. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the app, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. On the website, click on More in the navigation menu on the left. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, choose Security and Account Access. Next, click on Security. Here, you will see three methods for two-factor authentication: text message, authentication app, and security key. Choose your preferred method. If you select text message, enter your phone number if it's not already linked to your account. Twitter will send a confirmation code to that number. Enter the code in the provided field to verify your phone. If you choose Authentication app, select an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Follow the instructions to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. This will link the app to your Twitter account. Once linked, you will receive a code from the Authentication app. Enter this code to complete the setup. If you opt for security key, follow the prompts to link your hardware security key. After choosing and setting up your method, return to the two-factor authentication settings. Make sure the toggle switch for your chosen authentication method is turned on. You will receive a confirmation that two-factor authentication is now enabled. Make sure to keep your recovery codes in a safe place, in case you need to regain access to your account. That's it. You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Twitter account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.